Hello everyone, and welcome to Lesson 1 of my Crochet Pattern Reading Series. My name is Olivia, and I will be your host and teacher. Before we begin, I want you to understand that pattern reading is a cumulative skill. If you don't understand today's lesson, then you won't understand tomorrow's either. A strong foundation is crucial, which is why we are starting at the very beginning. These are the absolute basic stitch abbreviations that you will see in almost every pattern. CH, chain. SLST, slip stitch. SC, single crochet. HDC, half double crochet. DC, double crochet. TR, treble crochet. DTR, double treble crochet, not pictured. And parentheses, stitch count at the end of each row or round. Now that we know our basic abbreviations, it's time to apply what we've learned to an actual pattern translation. Chain 12, 2 single crochet in second and third chains from the hook. Single crochet in next 8 chains on the opposite side. Two single crochet in the last 2 chains. Slip stitch to join. 30 stitches total. Now that we practiced our basics, we're going to add in some new abbreviations. BLO, back loop only. FLO, front loop only. FP, front post. BP, back post, 2 TOG, 2 together, 3 TOG, 3 together. The basics and the new can be combined in any way. Let's see what that looks like. SC, 2 TOG, single crochet 2 together. TR, 3 TOG, treble crochet 3 together. FPDC, front post double crochet. BPSC, back post single crochet. DCBLO, double crochet in the back loop only. SCFLO, single crochet in the front loop only. Now here's some tough ones. FPDC 2 TOG, front post double crochet 2 together. SC 2 TOG BLO, single crochet 2 together in the back loop only. BPTR 3 TOG BLO, back post treble crochet 3 together in the back loop only. Now let's do another translation. Row 1, chain 9, single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each remaining chain. 8 stitches total. Row 2, chain 1 and turn the work. Single crochet in the back loop only in each stitch across. 8 stitches total. Rows 3 through 8. Repeat row 2. 8 stitches total. Congratulations on completing lesson 1. Your homework is to come up with 5 basic plus new stitch combos, which should include 3 easy ones and 2 tough ones. Then leave them in the comments along with any other questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching, and click the bell icon to be notified when lesson 2 is up and ready.